Arizona Charlie's Hotel and Casino. We're gonna check this out and see how it is. True rewards. This is the best of Nevada RV park. Yeah. There it is. Arizona Charlie's Casino. 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 Oh my goodness, it is hot. Oh, this is so different.
94 degrees. We need to be on a beach.
We love beaches. We love beaches.
We love beach.
PT's Express. You know what's PT?
No.
You know what's pretty? You're PT. You're PT. Ooh, it smells like cigarettes and cologne. You can go first. Here we go. PT's Express. Dunkin' Donuts upstairs. Let's walk around. Oh man. Ooh. I'm gonna get a player's card, see what happens. Okay. Let's go.
So we gotta pay 25 credits before we get spin.
Yeah, I'd rather not play and not get anything because spending money.
I was gonna say, let's pick a machine and play $5.
But
$5 per spin.
oh my goodness. Well, that's up to you.
$25.
You could do that. No, for 25 points. It's points, it's not dollars.
It's like the large, the more you bet, the more the price.
I think so. Like, well, it's different because the other place we were just at, it was $12 for 1 point.
Wow.
Yeah.
We were playing small, weren't we?
Yeah. Okay. We're just doing a walkthrough.
Yeah. There's
Yep.
a lot of older ones. This one is smaller than the Boulder.
Yeah, Boulder had a lot of old ones. They had a lot of Buffalo and Game King like that over there.
Ooh, look at
See,
that.
look at these.
My favorite.
Oh, the piñata.
The piñata.
So
One
bright.
of my favorites.
Games. Look at, they got the Game King over there.
Look at this. Look at those over there.
I know, it's like right in the corner. Okay. Cashier.
And here comes the machine that reels me in.
She's gonna go look at it, watch. Ready?
Ready?
She's gonna go look at it.
Ready, ready?
She's gonna go look at it. She's looking. Okay, so the casino is small. Small. And a lot of our viewers like to see bubble crabs, so there's no bubble crabs here. Let's walk over here. So the bar in the middle, right here, looks like bar in the middle, don't know what it's called, but then at the end over here is Dunkin' Donuts, more slot machines. Oh. Okay. Dunkin' Donuts, PT's Express. And then over here is Dragon Train Sportsbook. sportsbook area. Bang it, bang it, bang it, bang it. Bang it. Cool. I'm gonna get a coffee. Yeah, we're gonna look into them. So, Join, thank you, Join, for recommending the Ray-Ban glasses. We're probably gonna get them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You walk around a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's less hassle. How about what about the memory and all that? How does that
I'm not sure. I should look it up. Anything you want to see?
You don't have any
No.
table yet?
No, they don't have anything. No table games here. It's just all slots. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. I'm gonna use the restroom. Do you want to play? Okay. I'm gonna use the restroom. So you. Here you go.
Get $5.50.
Don't go under 50.
Come back fast.
Watch, when I come back, let's see where she's at. Let's see. Let's go find the restroom. Attendant? Attendant?
Thursdays and Saturdays during the 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. sessions, you can win $500 cash or up to $1,000 in free slot play on top of your regular winnings. Just hit bingo on the Bingo County Mall today to win. Not a member? Then come on down and sign up with us. You can still win $500.
Oh, she moved. Thank you for taking our money. You hear the song?
Cocaine?
They're singing about cocaine. Oh, it's hot out here. Okay, here we go.